Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic crucial for our overall well-being, kidney health. Our kidneys are unsung heroes, filtering waste, balancing fluids, and producing hormones. So, let's explore how to keep them in top shape.
Your kidneys filter about 150 liters of blood every day. Water is their main tool for flushing out sodium, toxins, and metabolic waste. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps your kidneys do their job efficiently.
Next, let's talk diet. A kidney-friendly diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Reduce your intake of sodium, processed meats, and sugary drinks. High sodium can increase blood pressure, putting extra strain on your kidneys. Monitoring your blood pressure is vital. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage. Regular checkups and, if needed, medication or lifestyle changes can keep it in check and protect your renal function. Similarly, managing blood sugar levels is crucial, especially for those with diabetes. Uncontrolled diabetes can significantly harm the kidneys over time. Work closely with your doctor to maintain healthy blood sugar. Exercise, even moderate activity, makes a big difference. Regular physical activity improves circulation, helps control blood pressure and blood sugar, and contributes to overall cardiovascular health, all beneficial for your kidneys. Avoid overusing over-the-counter pain relievers. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs like ibuprofen, can harm your kidneys if used excessively or for prolonged periods. Always consult your doctor before regular use. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol can raise blood pressure and put additional stress on your kidneys and liver. Moderation is key for all aspects of your health. Don't smoke. Smoking damages blood vessels throughout the body, including those in the kidneys. It also increases the risk of high blood pressure and kidney cancer. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health. Be mindful of supplements and herbal remedies. While some can be beneficial, others can be harmful to your kidneys, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting new supplements. Regular checkups with your doctor are non-negotiable. Early detection of kidney issues is critical for effective management. Simple blood and urine tests can provide valuable insights into your kidney function. If you have a family history of kidney disease or conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, be extra vigilant. Proactive measures and regular screening are even more important for you. Stress management plays an indirect but important role. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure and other health issues. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Remember, your kidneys are vital organs that work tirelessly for you. By adopting these lifestyle changes and being proactive about your health, you can significantly improve and maintain your kidney function for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.